in this enclosure has become a gentler, kinder, more docile animal. This is a large animal. It's about as heavy as maybe a city bus or even a small aircraft carrier. Possibly in between those two could be my ex-wife. Whoa, hold on a minute. Did I say that? I didn't mean it. Sorry, honey. For the hell of it. You got sun.
You need a hospital?
Get it off me!
Okay.
Get it off me! I thought these things were... I believe this is unbelievable! Stop filming me! Stop filming me! Stop filming me! Stop filming me! This is unbelievable! I don't want to be caught like that! No! Stop! I don't want to be caught like this on camera! Stop! Put the camera down! No!
Okay,
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Give me a minute! Give me a minute! I could be injured! I don't feel right! This doesn't feel right! This isn't... Elephant! 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 Stop filming me! 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 Stop filming me!
Shush!
Elephant!
Quiet!
Elephant! 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 Elephant!
Shush!
Elephant! 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 Elephant!